strongest natural antibiotic and anti-cancer remedy mixture of honey and curcuma is also known as the golden mixture. It is golden because of its numerous health benefits and also because its color is golden. Curcuma and honey have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They eliminate various bacteria which cause diseases and increase the natural body resistance. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grated lemon peel, 1 teaspoon of curcuma, 100 gr of honey, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, pinch of black pepper. Preparation: in a small bowl mix curcuma, apple cider vinegar and black pepper. Add zested lemon and honey. Mix all the ingredients until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Put the mixture into a glass bowl and store it in the fridge. Dosage: consume 1 tablespoon of this golden mixture on daily basis, preferably in the morning for better results. Put the mixture in your mouth and wait for it to dissolve entirely before you swallow it. Wait for a couple of minutes and then drink water or some other liquid. This mixture is also recommended for those suffering from hemophilia and hypertension because curcuma reduces the risk of blood clots and regulates the blood pressure.